Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bake chocolate chip cookies. First, I'm adding in some unsalted butter. I'm adding in 38 grams of butter. You can see I have some room temperature unsalted soft butter. To this, I'm adding in brown sugar. I've added in 33 grams of brown sugar. Next, I'm adding in some powdered sugar or caster sugar. I took 33 grams of powdered sugar. Now with the help of a spatula, I'm going to mix them all together. Once it's mixed well, I'll add in my other ingredients. You will also be needing an egg. I'm going to mix it up really well. And I'm going to add in 1/3 of the egg mixture. Next, I'll add in half teaspoon of chocolate essence. You can go ahead and add vanilla essence instead of the chocolate essence also. It will taste the same. You can see I've got a nice fine texture. To this, I'll add in all-purpose flour. I'm adding in about 67 grams of all-purpose flour. Now the secret hack to make the cookies more soft in the center and crispy on the outside, add in 1/3 tablespoon of corn flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and also a pinch of salt, and mix them all together. Now I'm going to use cut and fold method so that the dough forms well. After mixing, you can see the dough is still sticky. So I'll further add in 30 grams of flour to it. After mixing them together, you can see the dough is no longer sticky. Next, I'll add in some choco chips. You can add in how much ever you want. I'm also adding some finely chopped chocolate compound. Now mix them all together. Next, I'm taking the grill and I'm lining it up with parchment paper. And I'm making small balls with the cookie dough. You can notice the dough is no longer sticky. Now I'm taking each dough ball and dipping it into choco chips. To make it more chocolatey, you can skip this part if you don't want to. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for an hour. After refrigerating for an hour, it's ready to get baked. You can see I've left some spaces in between as it will spread out. After preheating the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, place the cookie dough in and set the timer for 20 to 25 minutes depending on how crispy you want the cookies to get. And here you go guys, chocolate chip cookies are now ready. It's crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.